Hey guys, welcome back to my next video of Pandas tutorial for beginners. In this video, we'll be learning how to use groupby and aggregate functions in Pandas. The groupby function groups together all the values in a column and display them all on a row. This allows you to perform aggregate functions on these groupings. As you can see here in the column car model, we have multiple recurring values. So let's start by grouping them. So as you can see, it is its own object. So let's assign it to something. Let's say new. Now we have to combine this with the aggregation function to get the output. Let's use describe. So here we have some aggregations like count, mean, standard deviation, etc. Now let's see how we can do this in a single line. This time we'll use the aggregating function directly here. Another aggregating function we have is count to get the total count. So you can just type in count here. This shows us the count of the rows that we have aggregated. Now let's look at mean. So here we got an error when we try to calculate the mean. This is because we have columns containing text values where the mean cannot be determined. So now let's see how we can specify the columns we need. So let's say we are taking top speed and sales. So here you can specify in square brackets. This is how you can specify the columns you want to perform the aggregation functions on. Now let's use the min function to find the minimum values. Now let's perform this aggregation without specifying the columns. As you can see here, even though we have columns with text, we still got the output. So why is that? So what it does is it filters the strings on the basis of alphabetic order. Now let's try to do maths. Another aggregation function we have is to find the sum. Now let's say we want to perform multiple aggregation functions on a single column. So to do this, we can use the aggregation function. Inside the aggregation function, you have to specify the column name and the aggregating functions in a dictionary format. So as you can see here, we have performed multiple aggregating functions on a single column. Now let's see how we can do this on multiple columns. Until now, we have only grouped on the basis of a single column. Now let's see how we can group on the basis of multiple columns. Let's say we want to calculate the mean. So now let's combine this with the aggregation function. This is how you can make use of the groupby and aggregate functions in Pandas. I hope this video has been useful. Thank you for watching my video and stay tuned for more.